Well, we finished step 1 with our end bridging, tying our first joist into the wall. Now it's time for step 2, continuous bottom chord bridging. We know that our first and last rows have to be 12 inches away from the end of the bottom chord of the joist. So we would simply measure 12 inches over, chalk our line, and that's our bridging line. We already marked 2 points and chalked the line so we can keep things straight. We get our bridging up into location. We have our end bridging, we're gonna butt tight against it. We find our chalk line and we clamp our piece of bridging. We're gonna make sure our bridging is lined up to our chalk line, and we're gonna fasten, avoiding the center web of the joist to avoid binding our screw. While we're proceeding here with the bottom chord bridging, I'm about to fasten this into the bottom chord, and I want to take a step back, look at the joist and check for any sweep or out of plumbness. Now's the time to adjust for that. Okay, continuing with this line of bridging, we want to butt it tight against the previous bridging, and we want to make sure that we have the whole joist width covered. And then along here, we line it up with our chalk line to make sure the whole bridging line is straight. Our C-clamp to clamp it into position and fasten away. Okay. Well, we finished up step 2, which is the bottom chord bridging. Remember, we paid attention to layout, ensuring our first piece is 12 inches away from the end of the joist. We made sure to chalk our lines, ensuring our bridging is straight. And where we butt our bridging, we've ensured that the bridging is bearing on the joist fully. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to your Bailey representative. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.